Hi there, Chris here. When we have Slinky over there, took over Suki's spot. Oh, yes, welcome to another edition of Stock Lock Sunday. I have this little Iseo cylinder. It's made in Italy. Does it say that anywhere? I don't think so. Maybe on the key. Yes, made in Italy, Iseo. That's the bitting. Works very nicely. Smooth. Let's see if I can pick into this Italian trickster here. Use top of the keyway. Trying to get the glare off there. Just light tension and seeing what I can set. Looking to get into a false set. Okay, I got a little bit of a false set. So now I'm just checking pins. Counter on somebody 3. Okay, I think I got that. Counter on 5. And that was it. We got it open. All right, let's see. I think I can get this. I'm going to lock it up. See if I can get this clip off. It doesn't get much easier than that. That's pretty slick. Oh, did I show the bitting? That's the bitting on the key. And we'll turn it a little bit. If I can find a shim. I guess this is just a regular, it's not a small core, I think it's just a regular standard size core. I hope. All right, what's happening? Just felt funny, and I don't want to mess it up because it's kind of a cool lock. I wonder if I can put it straight up. Ooh. Well, rocky, but we made it. So it is a 5-pinner. Everybody had to be picked. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's what the core looks like. There's no serrations or anything. I think that's just a scratch on there. I don't think it's a serration. Okay, let's see if I can get in here. Probably should take the shim out. One appears to be a standard. There was a little baby spool. Where'd he go? 3 is a little standard. 4 is a standard. I'm thinking 5 might be a spool because we got counter and then I think that's where we got it, if I remember correctly. Are we in focus? I can't ever tell. Yeah. Little baby spool in 5. All right, let's see if I get these springs out without much ado. Little tiny springs. I'm gonna focus. There we go. All right, where's my key? Man, my hands are dry. All right, let's zoom in on there. We'll focus. There we go. And that was this cool little Italian Iseo for Stock Lock Sunday. Anyway, thanks for watching. Say hello to Slinky Dinky Dog, and we will see you next time.